Video conferencing is good, but is it really that efficient to use for educators? Handling more students, and with a slow internet connection, could be very difficult. How will the educator supervise all her students effectively? Introducing Chaplin, an alternative tool to deliver distance learning. One that is social, supervised, and lightweight. Experience virtual classroom without the need for video conferencing. For just as low as 20 pesos per month. Experience Chaplin's key features. Live class. From discussion, recitation, to quizzes. Contents in the library are structured based on the domains and competencies provided by the Department of Education. Experience the Chaplin way. Simple but very effective. For more details, contact us.